Hello everyone, today I would like to show you the setup of solar panels. I have 1 kilowatt solar panels and also I have 1 kilowatt system. These two solar panels from WAAREE I have ordered in the online, and I have mid-raised galvanized iron structure. I have connected these two panels in parallel. I took inside. This is a 1 kilowatt system. Basically, it's a Gamma Plus UTL solar Gamma Plus 1 kilowatt system. So I have been using this from last 1 year. So currently the time is 3 p.m. and I have around 22% load. It is producing 8.7 amps and around 33 volts from EV. And with the 22% of load, whatever the producing current from the solar panels, it is charging the battery, and as well as it will serving 21% load. If you see to 36.1 volts and 7.9 amps currently solar is producing, and you can see my main is off. So I have attached a single battery 12 volts EXIDE C10 battery. So I'm from basically Bangalore. You might know almost from last 6 to 8 months. Basically, Karnataka government announced that if you reach till 200 units, you'll get a zero electricity bill. So initially, mine was reaching around 205 and 210 units per month. After having this setup with 1 kilowatt solar panels and 1 kilowatt solar PCU setup, I'm able to reduce it to 187 or 190 units per month. Most of my UPS connected home appliances like juicer, mixer grinder, and all of the fans and all of the lights of the home are running through this system. Basically, I have given as a PCU mode. So what it does is mostly it utilizes the power producing from solar to load, as well as to make it battery charge, so that I am utilizing these panels well enough. It has 3 modes: PCU, Smart and Hybrid. I selected as a PCU mode, so you can see the variation. Now it's been cloudy. You can see sun is a bit cloudy today. Even though it's producing required amount of solar power to charge the battery, as well as to serve the load as well. You can see that this charging battery is getting charged, and load is on, 22% load, then 37.8 volts with almost 10 amps. Even with the cloudy conditions, it is producing this much. So closely around 400 watts it's currently generating. With the current load I have, it is serving the load as well as it is charging the battery. You can identify that my mains is off. That's all. If you have any questions related to solar systems like batteries, or which PC you want to choose and which panels to choose. You can shoot me in a comment. Thanks for watching.